Video, we are going to do topic extraction on a document which we will upload. I'm here logged into SparkFlows and in the applications page. So here I can see a variety of applications, Gen AI and AI that I have access to. Now let's go into the topic extraction app. So this is the introduction page of the app. And here I would be able to upload a document and then extract the topics out of it. So the document that I have here is Generative AI could change the game for retail and consumer packaged goods companies. So this is the document that I have that I will upload and will further extract its topics. Now that I have the document uploaded, let me go ahead and ask the app to extract the key topics from it. So it has extracted these topics: generative AI, retail, CPG, productivity, automation, customer service. And I could go ahead and download these topics that have been extracted. Let us go ahead and see how this app was actually built. So if I'm a developer of the app, I could build it and then make it available to other users of the App Store. I'm here into editing the app. And if you see, this is the editor page, which is available to the developers. And here with drag and drop, and I could also write JavaScript code if I so like. And here are the prompts that are being used for this app. And it also has different connections, like connections to OpenAI or connection to Bedrock or connections to Vertex AI. So depending on which Gen AI service we want to use for the app. Thank you.